Buongiorno from Italy. In today's classic car episode, we're focusing on the world's oldest Lancia, and you're seeing it exclusively on Double Clutch and the House of Classics.
Welcome to the Lopresto Collection garage. We're here in Milano, and this is our family collection. This collection is quite special because it features only prototypes, concept cars, and design proposals from Italian manufacturers, coach builders, and designers from all eras, from the early century to 2000 prototypes. My father started more than 30 years ago, and we've shown these cars all around the world at concurses, where we won more than 50 Best of Show, 250 awards, and we're still counting. Our collection, our philosophy is really towards originality and heritage preservation, and we hope you like our garage. So I'm sitting in the oldest Lancia example ever built. This is a Lancia 12 HP Alpha. Alpha because Lancia used to call their models with Greek letters. So Alpha is A, the first letter of the alphabet, and is, as I said, the oldest model ever built. It was built in Italy, obviously, by Lancia, but it has an American coach builder who built the car, the Miller brothers. And it is a spectacular car because it introduced some very innovative concepts in engineering, in design, and compared to the cars of the period, this car was really one of the best examples of road cars of the time. This car was acquired by us a few years ago in exceptional original conditions, and it was presented at Pebble Beach where it won its class. And we are really proud to have this car in our collection because really for its originality, preservation state, and for the importance of this car for the Lancia brand. Being the oldest Lancia in the world, we have people all around the world, museums that keep asking us to show this car, because even if the Lancia brand now is weak and a bit down, it's still one of the best Italian brands ever, and this car is surely one of the most important Lancia examples ever built. It's truly, among the Lancias, one of the most important models ever. We're really proud and honored to have it in our collection.
Thanks so much for joining us. We hope you're as enamored with these classic beauties as we are with sharing them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great stories. And be sure to catch our restoration segments every Thursday here on Double Clutch, the House of Classics.